Less stress is now within your reach. Feel Cove. I keep getting targeted on Instagram, Facebook, and all these social media platforms with this device, and I was like, all right, fine, I'm gonna try it. Let's see if it actually works. Hi, my name is Shervin Shares, where we leverage technology to live happier and healthier lives. And obviously with everything that's going on in the world, I don't know about you, but I'm a little extra stressed out. I feel a little more anxious on my day-to-day. I also work a 9-to-5 job. I was trying to find out how can I decrease the amount of stress that I'm feeling on a day-to-day basis. I found this really cool tool that kept targeting me on Instagram, and I wanted to test it out. Does this thing actually work? Will it reduce my stress if I use it for, I think, 20 minutes a day? You don't sleep with this device. You kind of just wear it on your head, and it sends vibrations, and it's supposed to make you feel less stressed. Sounds too good to be true? Then that's why we gotta put it to the test, the Shervin test, and make sure that it actually works. So today I'll be unboxing it. I'll show you what it's like first set, quick impressions, and then I'll do a full-on review. If you wanna see that, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. But bada bang, bada boom, this is what the product is going to look like. They did not send this to me for free. I bought it myself. I asked, but they said no. So I was like, I'll just pay for my own cash money that I don't have any more of, because I've been spending it way too much. So make sure to subscribe, like this video down below, and turn on your notifications so you can see the videos right when I post them, and you can learn about all these tools. Are they actually effective, and is it worth it? I love taking plastic off. Oh, that sound. Oh yeah, so satisfying. Manufactured in China, they do have an app that goes with this device. They like to call it a hug for your mind. Bam! Oh, magnet, tape, glue. Welcome to Cove. Download the app and charge it. So let's do that. They give us a nice USB-A to micro USB. Wow, this is like decades old technology. I'm just gonna return it now. Let's just put it back together. Just kidding. What they did do well is this is a nice nylon cable. You can see good quality micro USB. I'm just not gonna open it now because I have way too many of those cables and I don't want any more of them. You get it in this little box thing right here. That's kind of it that's in there. And then inside of this fancy, oddly shaped case, it's like this is what it looks like. I don't even know how to explain it, but this inside of here we have, it automatically closes, as you can tell. Boom. We have the actual headband itself. I wonder if you can charge it with this case thing. Maybe it's just for the packaging. So you actually have to take it out. So it's got the little micro USB and buttons. What look like buttons on each side, so we can tell we've got buttons on this side. It is a little flexy, so you can like open it up and then close it, and this will loop around and you kind of wear it. See if we can get it big enough for my head. Yeah, it looks like power button and volume up buttons. Then you kind of wear it, I think, like so. You can kind of see that on my head, kind of around, and then the actual things are like pulsating are right behind your ears. Okay, let's charge this sucker and get the app going. Let's set up your Cove. I did the quick sign up, add my Cove, permissions. Oh, it needs notifications, Bluetooth, pairing your Cove. Oh, it's actually plugged in right now. Pair. Looks like it just figured it out. Adding Cove. This should take less than a minute. Oh, success. It took like 30 seconds. Cove needs to be updated. This should only take a few minutes. As always, when you buy a device online, it has to be updated. Update now. Download in progress. I can't see my Wi-Fi. Is my internet decent? Okay, so we gotta install, you know, takes time. Let's fast forward. All right, we got the Cove. It is charged. It looks like fully charged on the top left. You can go to profile, personal information. They collect that, notifications, firmware settings, and help. But pretty simple app. That's really all there is to it. You put this on over your ears. I think it's on right now. I tap the Cove button. First, expand your device. Already did that. Put the device on, right? You loop this around your ears like so. So until it fits firmly, pads should rest against your skin behind your ears, right there. Next, your first session has started. I feel this weird, like touching sensation almost. It's not like vibrating, but it's like kind of massaging behind my ears. Okay, that's super weird. It should be the lowest level. So I can use these like volume buttons. Same thing here. So when I press it, okay, wow, it's getting real intense. Ideally, this would be the lowest level. How low? Wow. Oh my God, I already feel like I just took like a really relaxing drug or something. I just feel like I just want to lay down and chill. So use it daily, it looks like, and it helps you wind down before bed or before a stressful event to help you relax. So now I can use this 20 minutes to work, relax, or go for a walk, even do light yoga or light exercises. So it'll power off and turn off in 3 minutes. You can now exit the tutorial while you complete your session, exit. So I've got about 17 minutes left. I just feel like this, you know that sensation when someone's just massaging the back of your like ears, like it just feels so good. So good. I love the sensation, okay. And then it shows my streak days. Wow, okay, this is very interesting. I'm gonna keep using this and we'll come back after 20 minutes and I'll let you know if I feel any different. Honestly, it feels like it's falling off. Like I can feel it just going backwards and I keep wanting to touch it to make sure it's still on my ears. That's a odd sensation. Okay, you're wearing the device. What does it feel like?
It's like a buzzing, like a little tiny murmur.
Murmur?
Like, what do you call it?
You said it's ants?
Yeah, what do you call this thing?
It's just vibrations.
Yeah, that's the feeling that you got.
You don't like it?
I mean, if you really have to wear it.
Have to wear it, okay.
Have to wear it, okay.
In 20 minutes, let's see how you feel. Okay, your session is done.
Huh?
Take it off. Do you feel any different?
I feel dizzy. I have a headache. I feel like something was like killing me in my head. Why?
Or do you feel relaxed?
No.
No? You feel like a dizzy and a headache?
I feel dizzy and a headache.
Uh-oh. It's supposed to make you relaxed.
Relax?
Yeah.
I am relaxed.
No, you're not. You ready to try this?
Yeah.
So put it on around your ears.
Like this way?
And you have no idea what it's supposed to do, right? Yeah. It's behind your head. Yep.
This right?
And then there's a button right here. Just press it to turn it on. Let's get the app. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the light is flashing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we are connecting. Alright. Now, do you feel anything?
Exit the simulation. This is fake.
No. Do you feel anything behind your ears?
Yeah, I feel like pulsing.
Okay, how about now?
Nothing really.
No? Okay, how about now?
I feel
Okay, perfect. This is the right setting. We just need to make sure it's in the right setting. So now we'll set a timer and we'll check back in. How do you feel right now? Just normal, casual, nothing crazy? What's your current state?
I feel slightly caffeinated because of the coffee.
Ah.
But I feel a very subtle vibration in the back of my skull.
Okay.
Yeah.
But overall state of mind, you're just kind of up because of the caffeine and that's it?
Yeah, sky's blue.
All right.
These are nice.
Wait, so what are you feeling right now?
I said, I don't know if it's this thing, but I just want to
focus
and work. Yeah.
Okay, you're feeling focused. That's interesting.
Yeah. I don't know what it does though. I really don't.
You'll find out in 17 minutes. Okay, Feel Cove, you just had your first experience of Feel Cove. How do you feel?
I feel focused. I feel really focused. We were having a conversation and I was just like, I just want to work right now. I just want to hone in and zoom in and work on my video editing. So yeah, I felt very focused. The whole time there was just a slight buzz in the back of my head, and I don't know.
You feel focused?
Yeah, I don't know if it made me want to lift my posture up a little bit, keep it sturdy,
yeah.
But I definitely was noticing my posture a bit more.
That's interesting. So you want to know what it's meant to do?
Yeah.
It's meant to, it's a hug for your mind so you stress less, and it's supposed to relax you.
Interesting.
Yeah, do you feel like it did that?
Maybe it was just a placebo effect.
Uh-huh.
But this is also kind of my morning routine. I wake up, I have coffee, and then I just zone in and get in the zone.
Yeah.
I felt pretty relaxed. I'm a pretty relaxed dude for the most part.
Nice.
So,
okay.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe it was a placebo effect.
So it's a $450 device that's supposed to minimize your stress. Is it worth it?
Just smoke weed.
We'll take that as a no. What about for people with asthma? You can't really smoke.
What could you
Eat?
Edible?
Eat it?
Edible?
Yeah.
Just drink coffee.
That creates anxiety though.
Stop being a
Oh my god. Yeah.
Just like David Goggins. Get after it. You know?